Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So obviously you see sitting in my car. I have like a few minutes to kill and the office isn't the easiest place to record with the phone and stuff ringing, so I figured I would just, come sit out in my car. I was running some errands. If you guys could see this setup, I don't have like a tripod or anything for the car. Like I have a phone holder, but it goes in the vent and it's like way over there. You guys wouldn't be able to see me. So I have that hooked to my purse that is sitting on the steering wheel. I hope nobody comes over and is like, what the fuck is she doing? Wanted to give you guys like a quick little like life update. Oh, the last life update I did was a couple weeks ago when I was going through it. I swear I didn't know what was up and what was down. Super stressed out, but you guys have been super supportive. Thank you guys so much for all the kind words on that video, and then for following up and constantly asking me, how everything's going on my Facebook and Instagram. So I really appreciate you guys. You guys honestly don't realize how much that means to me to be so supportive. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. We found a house. So that was a process, of course. Like I mentioned before, we are in an area right now where housing is sort of limited. Like there's a lot of people coming into the area. So finding housing is super limited. We don't own our house, we rent. And basically the owner wanted to sell the house and gave us like a 30-day notice to vacate. We've had the opportunity to buy houses here in Texas, but we honestly don't want to stay in Texas. I've convinced my husband to move back to the West Coast with me. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Washington State, the Seattle area. Like most of my family is in Seattle. So I really have been wanting to go back that way for several years, and now that most of our kids are grown, my youngest Xavier will be 18 in a few weeks, that finally is an option for us. So I don't want to buy a house and then have to worry about selling it or being tied to Texas, because I don't really want to stay here. Owner wanted to sell the house. They gave us basically a month to move, which is bullshit, but it is what it is. And so yeah, we found a place. Lost out on a few places before we were able to get the paperwork and everything in, so I'm still a little butthurt about that, but we did find a really nice house. It's a lot smaller than the house we have now. Yeah, the house we're in now is just huge. We moved into that house with 3 preteens. They needed a lot of space. We needed a lot of space to be away from them. One of our kids has moved out. The other one is probably on his way, soon to be moving out as well. We just really didn't need that big of a house anymore, so we found a house that's a lot smaller, but it still has plenty of space. I will have an office still so that I can record lovely videos for you guys and not be super interrupted by, well, I'll still be interrupted by my cats and stuff like that, but at least it'll be a space like I have now where I can sort of close the door and people leave me the hell alone while I'm in there. And stuff at the office is going really well. I was super hesitant about the recovery process for my employer, but he's doing amazing. He's been back in the office, and it looks like he may be able to go ahead and resume, seeing patients, and his recovery has been short of a miracle. I honestly, from the time that I saw him to today, just a few weeks, in between where he's been at the office, it's a huge difference. He is feeling great. He's looking great. He's happy to be at work. So yeah, I'm very hopeful that everything will be back to normal here in a couple weeks at the office. I think it's easy breezy cover girl right now. Everything's looking up. So I just wanted to give you guys just like a quick little, why does it look like my mouth's not moving with the sound? But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick little, life update. I feel like my life is not falling completely apart anymore. But yeah, when you're going through it, man, it doesn't feel like there's an end to what is going on. So I'm thankful for you guys and for, the support of my family, and yeah, everything is working out fine. Give you guys this quick little video. Plus, I wanted to have some extra content for you guys because we will be moving probably next week or the week after. And I wanted to make sure that I had some content for you guys to watch, while we're in the process of moving. I don't want to miss out on any uploads because your girl got monetized finally. So that means that I actually will be making a little bit of cash money off of my videos. Now, I'm talking like a little bit. Literally, I made I think I've been monetized for a week now and I've made like $4, but you know, that's $4 I didn't have before. So it's exciting to be able to start seeing some earnings. So I definitely don't want to miss out on any uploads. And of course, I love talking and chatting to you guys. You guys, when I don't upload or if I miss, like there's a few days in between where my schedule's sort of weird, I miss you guys. I just wanted to hop on and say hello, that I'm still here, that life is feeling a lot better now. It does not feel like everything is crashing down on me. Thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you guys for being so supportive. Sure to like, share, and subscribe like you guys always do. Comment below if you guys want to chat about anything. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.